Here we have the system right now, Jay. You can see the gas production is between 2.5 and 3 litres per minute. It's currently running at 22 amps, 11.4 volts, and or 24.5 amps or 8 amps. The temperature right now of the system is just over 50 degrees Celsius. Actually 32 degrees Celsius at the heat sink here. The cell itself is just over 51 degrees Celsius as measured by this device here. The volume of gas is high, very high, and you can see here, look at the bubbler. The bubbler is going quite well and producing between 2.4 and 2.6 litres per minute, or up to 3 litres per minute. Very efficient right now. I'll have the system back to you as soon as possible. My hands is on the top of the lid there. It's running quite cool. Again, you can see the meter is showing 22 amps, whereas the power supply is showing 24. There's a discrepancy. I'd say it's probably closer to 22 amps at the present time. Okay, I'll send this to you, mate. Catch you later on. Bye.